Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to set a minimum or maximum order weight from few specific collections in Shopify. Using the total order weight condition, you can easily achieve it, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the total order weight condition. So first, we'll search for total order weight in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. Here we can see that the condition is only available in Essential 2. Since the total order weight condition is available only in Essential 2, we must choose Essential 2, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Total Order Weight. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. Then select the conditions. Now here, you can see many more options. You should choose these options based on your requirements. For example, if you want to set a maximum weight, select Block if more than. If you want to set a minimum weight, select Block if less than. For this video, we will set a maximum order weight. So we will select Block if more than and enter maximum order weight 20 kilograms. Now you will see two options here. These options let you control which products the rule will apply to. All products. If you select this option, the rule will apply to all products in your store. You don't need to select any specific products, tags, or collections. Selected products. If you select this option, the rule will apply only to specific products you choose. After selecting this, you will see three filtering options. Products. Select individual products. Product tags. Apply the rule to products with specific tags. Collections. Apply the rule to products that belong to selected collections. If you need to add some specific products, we recommend using Product Tags Filter option instead of Products Filter option. Because instead of adding products one by one, whenever a new product is added to your store, you can simply assign the same tag to that product. This way, there's no need to edit the rule again. The rule will apply automatically. Also, in this way, you can cover hundreds of products using a single rule. Here I will simply add the max limit tag to the Snow Bear product by going to the Tags section, adding the tag, and then saving it. Besides that, here we can see that the Snow Bear product is 5 kilograms per item. Then we choose Selected Product, then choose Product Tags and add Product Tags Max Limit. This means if the max limit tagged product is added to the cart and its weight is more than 20 kilograms, then the order will be blocked. Now we will add a proper error message for the customers like, please add maximum 20 kilogram Snow Bear items in your cart. Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because customers add more than 20 kilograms of Snow Bear to the cart. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now let's remove some Snow Bear items, make it less than 20 kilograms, and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!